Did you know that excess belly fat increases your risk of developing serious health conditions like type 2 diabetes and heart disease? In fact, a recent study found that people with high amounts of belly fat are up to 2 times more likely to suffer from cardiovascular issues, even if they are within a healthy weight range. While belly fat is often considered just an aesthetic concern, its implications for your overall health are far more serious. Fortunately, with the right workout plan, you can start to shed that stubborn fat and improve your health in as little as 2 weeks. This video outlines a targeted workout plan designed specifically to help you lose belly fat quickly and efficiently. Let's dive into the details of what it takes to burn off belly fat and start seeing results within 2 weeks. Understanding belly fat. Before we get into the workout, it's important to understand that there are 2 types of belly fat: subcutaneous fat, the layer of fat just under your skin, and visceral fat, the fat surrounding your internal organs. Visceral fat is the more dangerous of the two, as it's linked to increased risks of heart disease, diabetes, and other metabolic conditions. Losing belly fat requires a combination of cardiovascular exercise, strength training, and core-focused workouts. This workout plan is designed to target both types of fat, helping you burn calories, boost your metabolism, and tighten your midsection. The 2-week workout plan to lose belly fat. This plan combines high-intensity interval training, HIIT, core strengthening exercises, and resistance training. Aim to work out 5 days a week, alternating between HIIT and strength training, with 2 rest or light activity days in between. Day 1 and 3. High-intensity interval training, HIIT. HIIT is one of the most effective ways to burn fat, especially around the belly. It involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by periods of rest or lower intensity movement. Sample HIIT workout, 30 minutes. 1. Warm up, 5 minutes. Light jogging or jumping jacks to get your heart rate up. 2. Intervals, 20 minutes. Sprint for 30 seconds at full intensity. Walk or jog for 1 minute. Repeat this cycle for 20 minutes. 3. Cool down, 5 minutes. Stretching or walking to lower your heart rate. HIIT workouts are designed to burn a large number of calories in a short time and continue to boost your metabolism even after you finish exercising. Day 2 and 4, strength training with core focus. Building muscle not only strengthens your body, but also increases your resting metabolic rate, meaning you burn more calories even when you're not working out. On these days, you'll focus on full body strength exercises that engage your core muscles. Sample strength training workout, 45 minutes. 1. Warm up, 5 minutes. Dynamic stretches or light cardio. 2. Workout, 35 minutes. Plank, 3 sets of 30 seconds. Strengthens the core and burns belly fat. Push-ups, 3 sets of 12. Tones the upper body and engages core muscles. Squats, 3 sets of 15. Works the legs and glutes while stabilizing the core. Russian twists, 3 sets of 20. Focuses on the obliques and abdominal muscles. Mountain climbers, 3 sets of 30 seconds. A full body exercise that increases heart rate and targets the abs. 3. Cool down, 5 minutes. Stretching exercises focusing on the core and legs. Make sure to rest for 30 to 60 seconds between each exercise to maintain the intensity of the workout. Day 5. Full body cardio and core workout. On the 5th day, combine a cardio workout with core targeted exercises to burn fat and strengthen the muscles that shape your belly. This workout will help you torch calories while focusing specifically on the abdominal region. 2 rest days. Rest days are essential for recovery and muscle growth. On these days, you can take a walk, stretch, or do light yoga. Staying active but allowing your muscles to recover will help you get the most out of your workouts. By committing to this workout plan and incorporating healthy lifestyle habits, you can start to lose belly fat in just 2 weeks. While results will vary based on individual factors, following this combination of HIIT, Strength training and core exercises will help you burn fat, strengthen your midsection, and feel more confident in no time. Stick with it, and you'll be on your way to a flatter, healthier belly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.